3 bags stuffed to the brim, and 0 trips through the checkout. For this 40-year-old woman, shoplifting hadn't just become a habit, it was a way of life.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay, put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags
I
down.
did not do anything.
On September 6, 2024, Target Loss Prevention spotted a customer acting highly suspicious. She was literally filling 3 bags with merchandise before walking toward the exit as if everything were free. But what she didn't know was that the police were already waiting for her outside. The moment officers tried to stop her, the situation completely unraveled. Between the crying fits and the total denial, you're about to witness Stephanie's complete psychological collapse.
She dumps the cart.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south set of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, brother. Put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with.
Put your bags
I
down.
did not do anything. I didn't do anything.
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do.
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags
Why
down.
are you?
Could you take your backpack
No.
off as well? You have to.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off.
That is bullshit.
Take your backpack off. You're going to go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So,
This is bullshit.
Okay.
It is harassment.
what do you want to do?
Stop. I didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to
Is
listen
this
to him.
is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came
Ma'am?
in with all this.
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You
take it.
aren't gonna touch. Stop! I'm not even doing anything. I am not doing anything. I am not doing anything.
Put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment. You're not even
Lincoln, too. I can
supposed to put your hands on me without a female. You are breaking the law.
Take off her hands. All right.
This is mine. Yeah!
Just
Stop! Ow! Ow! Ow!
If you want to
I wasn't doing anything! I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look, it's your code for you. Have one
No! Let me breathe!
Let me help you out.
I didn't do anything!
I'm gonna help you out.
By denying the obvious, she destroys any chance of leniency. To a judge, someone who says, "I didn't do anything," while standing over undeniable physical evidence, shows a complete lack of remorse. Screaming your innocence while literally clutching 3 bags of stolen goods is the definition of cognitive dissociation.
I thought you were fighting.
No. She's a female, so I can't get too physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so.
Why are you going through every I just
This all yours?
Yeah.
This is.
These are
This bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and.
It could be Home Depot.
Yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot?
Yeah, once we sort all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you? Yeah.
That is bullshit!
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong here!
They're going through all of the property to determine what you took. Yes, they
they're
are.
taking
And
shit! I just
Stop.
watched it!
They're sorting through everything because
I
there's stolen
just
merchandise in the car.
watched it!
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags. No,
They're going to go through all of it. They're going to go through all of it.
That's bullshit.
What's your last name?
Knife.
God damn it.
What's your last name?
Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No.
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard. Oh, God damn you.
Richard?
Richards?
Stop. God damn you, Bombstick.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These are this yours?
I can check and see.
It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
The purple and the Husky bag. I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs.
Okay.
And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can decide at any time to exercise his right.
All of you have done something. Shut the fuck
Yeah, let's do it. All of this is yours?
Yep, everything right here is mine. Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No.
Yes.
And you already know. This is harassment.
Suddenly, Stephanie goes on the offensive. Her strategy? Accuse the officers and try to make them feel guilty for doing their jobs. She screams harassment and tries to weaponize police procedures against the officers to create doubt. She cries injustice, but the real injustice is trying to walk out with half the store's inventory without paying a dime.
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is.
How is it harassment if you took the property that
Stop.
didn't belong to you?
Just stop.
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong. What do you expect me to
Steal?
do? Stop.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop. Just stop. This isn't right. It isn't
Not a merchandise
right. You're trying to make me a rat.
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you're
Okay.
stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like
in my head.
this. No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, 'cause it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are so... That is bullshit.
Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere? No? Okay.
Stephanie made a fatal mistake, doubling down on the lies and resisting the entire way. The legal consequences are now much more serious. Felony grand theft. With $850 in stolen merchandise, the value crosses the threshold from a simple misdemeanor to a felony in this jurisdiction. Resisting arrest. By struggling and refusing to let go of the bags, she turned a routine stop into a physical confrontation, significantly worsening her rap sheet. Screaming harassment when you're caught red-handed with nearly $1,000 in stolen goods isn't a defense, it's an admission of guilt. The police aren't harassing you, they're just cleaning up the wreckage of your own bad decisions. Don't forget to subscribe for more investigations.